I've been wanting to do this video for some time now because more celebrities are rocking their natural hair than ever before, and I am here for it. Hey y'all, welcome back to Rock Natural, your weekly beauty reporter. Today I'm switching it up a little bit and talking about some of my favorite celebrities or celebrities who are wearing their natural hair. The first one we're going to be starting out with is Gabrielle Union. She has this short curly fro that she got going on, and she is embracing it to the max. If you see her in some of like her older movies, you know she has long hair, but I love that now she's just embracing her natural hair. The next person is B. Simone. She rocks her natural, she's been rocking her natural hair more. Girls are loving her curls. Her curls are giving body. It's just like a whole experience. I'm here for it. She shares tips and I love it. Next one is Alicia Keys. Alicia Keys is all things natural, and I really do like how she wears her natural hair. She wears no makeup, and she really changed the standard of what natural beauty means. And I wouldn't even say change the standard, she's really just embraced what it means. I too very rarely wear makeup. Like today you see me full face but this is not me all the time. I do people's hair and makeup all the time, and I'll go with no makeup, fresh skin, and I'm living for it. And with my natural hair, I embrace it. I definitely have started doing more brides who are wanting to rock their natural hair. I actually had 2 brides recently wearing their natural hair. One bride rocked the curly natural hair and I styled it and I loved it, chef's kiss. The other one added extensions in combination with her natural hair just to give her some more length, and I'm here for it. Loving it. Tracee Ellis. So I love Tracee Ellis, you know, especially in grown-ish. I love all the variety of her hairstyles that she just kind of embraces, and she is the epitome of natural. She wears her natural hair. She even has her own hair care line, which I have not tried yet, but you know, I've heard pretty good things about the line. Pattern is what it's called. It's on my list of products to try, but I have a feeling it's not going to be heavy enough for my hair. But besides the point, she's another one who's rocking her natural hair and I love it. Rashida from Love and Hip Hop, she wears a ton of wigs. Every time you see her, she's in a different wig, even within multiple episodes. But she also wears her natural hair, so she either wears it in a bun, or every time she takes her hair down, she's showing her length, and it's super long and healthy. She mainly uses Mielle Organics, which I use as well, and she's giving body. Viola Davis. Love Viola Davis, especially in How to Get Away with Murder, but she also plays other great shows, movies where she's rocking her natural hair, and then she also rocks her natural hair in real life. And then Issa Rae. I'm beginning to rewatch Insecure on HBO in preparation for the 5th and final season, and I'm just like even looking back on her journey, how she started with this short curly fro, and her progression over the seasons, and even in real life she embraces her natural hair. On my list, she is on my list of people I would love to do her hair and her makeup, so I'm putting it out there. Issa, if you're watching this, holla at your girl. Leave a comment down below and let me know which one of those celebrities are your favorite of their natural hair. When you're deciding how to wear your hair, if you want to wear your natural hair, who are you looking at to say, this is what I want? Is it more like YouTubers? There's tons of YouTubers who are wearing their natural hair all the time, including myself. It's sad because like during the week my hair is usually in a bun because I just like to prevent the split ends, but I'm working on that because no buns over here. If you like videos like this, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Be sure to check out these 2 videos here. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.